68B. Okay, Dubai and Sharjah are our storage locations. For jail organization will be 68B as well. 8. We have purchase organization now. Okay. Till here we're okay. And next is financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, jail accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, D68B. Okay, we have chart of accounts also. Assigned. That's the next step. D68. We have also assigned. We have account groups. D68B. Okay, we have account groups also. Okay, define retained earnings accounts. We have made all the account heads. D68B. Okay, we have retained earnings also. Now we can go and create controlling. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. B. Okay, it's not made. So we'll go for new entries. This is important step. Controlling area, so company code 68B. Okay, 5 tree group. It has pulled that over here. We'll use 30 USD. Now company code currency is 10, but we'll use 30 for group currency, and currency for group level reporting will be not dirhams but USD. Chart of accounts, fiscal year variant is all set at company code level, so it is bringing it here. Save. Cross company code. So cross company code means one controlling area can control multiple company codes. Save.
Okay.
Save. Save. Now currency and valuation profile. This is important. We'll do that. OKKP is the next step. Eight B. Double click. Now we have 30 group currency, and US dollar is the currency of controlling area. Cost center hierarchy will be P68. Now it will give a pop-up. Say yes. New entries. In 2024, we will have cost centers active, auto management active, project saved order cost object will be active. Variances will be there. We'll calculate variances also. Company code will be multiple. If chart of accounts are chart of accounts and fiscal year variants are the same for all company codes, only then controlling area will accept. Continue. Okay, next step, SPRO. Financial accounting, global setting, ledgers, very important. Settings, okay. Now 0L is the main leading ledger and only one leading ledger can be there in the whole landscape. So it is one only. Rest are either standard ledgers for accounting standards or currencies. And then we have extension ledgers for mirror copy of standard ledgers. Okay. So 0L, company code settings, double click. Over here, 368B. Over here we have 10 and 30. This is what we set in controlling area. Okay. Now currency conversion settings. Now we want to add euro or GBP. We have
Okay.
dirhams, USD, and now we will add GBP. New entries. Company code P68B, currency type. Okay. Y1 reporting currency and reporting currency GBP. GBP. 00 is source currency, which is your company code or the document currency. Document currency can be different, so it will convert to GBP. Exchange rate type will be average of the day. Translation date will be posting date when the document will be posted in your system. Okay, GBP. Okay. Save. Okay, company code settings, Y2. Now we're going to see if Y2 has been automatically updated. T68, okay, Y2. Y2 is added. Save. So we can add 8 different currencies. Okay, this is done. Next is SPRO. Financial accounting. Global setting. You're done with ledger. And ledger. Parallel valuation. multiple valuation, basic setting, maintain currency and valuation profile. New entries. Now this is for material valuation. T68 currency valuation profile. We will assign this to the plant. Assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. $68B. Okay, USD 30. Currency valuation profile HD 68B. Save. Find ledger for CO version, very important. T68B version is 0 and 0L. We've already seen 0L leading ledger. Now we are connecting controlling area with 0L ledger. Save.
Okay.
We can also connect controlling area to other standard and extension ledgers also. Assign currency types and define material ledger types. New entries. T60. It'd be T68B material ledger. Will have manual entries. Manual entries are allowed. Assign material ledger to valuation area. Valuation area is your plant. New entries T68B and material ledger type is T68B. Same code. It is active. Save. Okay. Activate valuation areas for material ledger. Activate. B. Material ledger active. 2 is transaction based. All line items will be transaction based, updated in material ledger and valuated. Converted means it will convert into that currency. Okay, that's it for today.